You know what we're gonna do, guys? Let's go. Take that, atheists. I have self-respect, okay? Welcome to another video. I learned how to cheat on Skate 3. So basically, I learned that if I do all these challenges in co-op, it gives you more points. And see these homies right here? Monkey 720, shout out. Shout out Greg Beck 69. Shout out Goofy Goober 23. All right, we're gonna do this challenge. Let's get it. Because I literally don't know how to do it. And I think that they do. And I just missed that bearing. Total flip, double flip this gap. Okay, Monkey 720, you fell and I'm still rolling. Look at me now. I think the gap bodied. Okay, so now I just need to body flip. Body flip off the planner and we're good. What? No, that was it. So if any of them do the challenge as well, we're good, right? Okay. How the heck? That was so stupid. Bro, what does he mean help? Help? Yeah, I need help, bro. But nobody's landed it. Am I wrong? Like any one of us lands it, we're good. Am I wrong? Am I right? Okay, let's run this. Okay, double flip the gap. Okay, I see. I think I got it now. Just like that. Okay. Oh! What? Shut it down! All players complete the line. And guess who completed the line, boys? Guess who completed it first, boys? Dang. And I thought I was in here with the best skate pros ever. And I am. Again? First try, every try. Keep playing to complete all the goals. Well, I did, but nobody else did. Co-op challenge. Yeah, we are on the co-op challenge. Is it like bugged or something? Yes, it's bugged. Oh, they're saying it's bugged. How do we get out of it? Oh, claim and end. Yeah, we'll take it.
Psycho Sal would be proud.
Psycho Sal would be proud. Okay, I love it. Shut it down. Look at that, we shut it down. Okay, what do we need to do, guys? We go to another challenge? I'm trying to get all the points here. I'm trying to level up. I need your guys' help to level me up. This blunt slide kickflip out. Tray flip out, first try. This camera angle's new and improved. I think I want to go do another challenge. This one, I guess. You know what we're gonna do, guys? Backflip grinds. First try. Now we're going into this rail. Into the bank? Come on. I don't know if I like this new angle though. It's a little bit low. You know what? I am thirsty. Can I get like a Coke? How did Monkey 720 beat me here? Okay, you got moves. I ain't gonna lie. You got moves and it's fire. No, I swear I beat this one already. We're going co-op this one, boys. Don't let me down on this one, okay? Okay, who knows why my camera angle went low? I mean, I like it, but I don't like it as much as it was when it was higher. I think it was easier to control. First try. Okay, let's run this back. Kickflip. 5-0. Double flip. First try. Backside quintuple kickflip. Monkey 720 has shut it down. Monkey 720 has shut it down. Of course he did. Proud of you, Monkey. Thank you. And I'm right behind you because this is quite literally the best line I've ever done in my whole life. No! Monkeys just keeps dancing in my face. Okay, I'm gonna get this line because I have self-respect, okay? I've done, okay. 2 people have completed it. That leaves me and one other person. That was sick. No. No. That was so good. Okay, so I think I'm good. Now I think all I need to do is get this final bearing and we're good. No, he fell. Good line. Keep playing to complete all goals. This is what happened to me last time. All players complete the line. If this same thing happens to me that happened before, but I'm in a group setting, this is the most embarrassing thing ever. Okay, how did they complete it? Okay, this would be grind 2. Maybe it's that I'm not doing enough grinds. That would be grind 3. Okay, I think that's grind number 4. Playing it really safe, so 2 more grinds. Maybe that's why I was doing slides and not grinds. That would be so lame if that was the truth. Really? Play it safe? Okay. What did I not do? Okay, guys, this is driving me nuts. He's talking.
Care of necessary business. Diligent.
Whoa, we did it. It doesn't matter if you didn't finish them all. It's glitched. We shut it down. Shout out Monkey720. Follow him on Instagram. Okay, good. I like that. We're getting points, guys. So what now? We go to the next one? This one, right? He literally just did a front flip on flat. Imagine you're skating down the street and you just front flip on flat. Okay, this is the sickest thing I've ever seen in my whole life. Back 180 out, bodied. Goofy Goober, let's look. Goofy Goober set a waypoint. I don't know what that means. Oh, are you taking me to the skate shop? Like I need to level up or something. There we go. Let's go. I gotta figure out how to level up. What do I do to level up? Level up! Dude, we did it! We leveled up! Okay, so unlock 2 fast travel points. Unlocked a challenge. Okay, good. I like it. So if I level up, does that make me better at tricks? Spectate. What's that mean? Bro, I got you. I'm spectating. You show us some tricks. I'm not gonna lie. Those pants are fire. Okay, so wait. When it says teleport, so you can go somewhere rad. Okay, go to like the best spot, the best new season 3 spot, and let me teleport there. I wanna go into the top of the buildings. Yes. Yes. Oh, okay, I got you. How did you get up there? No, yes, this is where I wanted to go. Yes. Okay, take me to where this begins. Yes, monkey. Now we're freaking talking. Right there? Okay, wait. No way. Sickest thing ever. You guys are the best. Okay, now how do I do this? Just like that? And then what? Board down. No way. No way. How do I do this? Okay, we're flying. And we're going. And then we're gonna drop in. No way! That is so good. Okay, I'm following you, Monkey720. You're clearly the goat at this. Well, see you later. Okay, let's fly in. What the heck? I'm still flying. Oh, I landed it. I somehow pulled out of that. Did everybody else see that? What's up with my camera angle? Oh wait, I'm still in there. That is the best thing ever. Okay. Dude, I think this is a really good challenge for me. I think we're just gonna skedaddle on down here. And fly. Yes. 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 Oh, yes. There it is. Yes. Oh my God, this is the best thing ever. This is the best thing ever. Like, whoever made this game and just put this giant thing there, I love you. Okay, this is my favorite thing in the whole universe. Just flying right into this and then, oh wait, what's that? What? Vert ramp, you said. Yeah, say less, fam. If I didn't nail that first try, I don't even know. Oh, wow. Wow. This is so sick. Sickest thing ever. Yes. We will accept your friend request, but I'm right in the middle of the sickest line I've ever done in my whole life. Oh, that's what I need to do. I need to do a flip in there. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna flip off the side of this. 2 grind on the side of a building. Okay, why is my camera angle like always the worst? How long you been playing? Tonight? Or just in general? That was sick. Backflip, belly slide, I love that one. Yep. Okay. Let's go. And land. Yes! We got it. Into the front flip Christ air. Take that, atheists. Yes! Okay, I think I nailed it. Okay, guys, that was the best one I've ever done. A huge shout out to Monkey720. Please follow him on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere you can follow anybody. And shout out a lone wolf. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you learn to ride a skateboard in real life. Let's go.